Hello students, welcome back to your English grammar class. In my previous session I started with the chapter number 11, simple present tense. Helped you all complete exercise A, B, C, D and E. Today we will be doing exercise F and G. Today we will be doing exercise G and F. Okay, so interrogative sentence WH type. Yesterday we did yes no type. Today we'll be doing WH type. WH type includes all WH words: where, when, how, what, all those kinds of words. So WH word plus do or does plus subject plus verb in the first form and other words. With what we use do, we have to see the subject, and accordingly with you we use do, and with he she we use does, they also we use do, we do, with I also we use do. So keeping all that in mind, we have to do this exercise. Correct the following sentences and follow the example. When you study, you think this question is right? There is something which is missing, right? So when do you study, you is there, so we have put do. How you write, so again you, so we'll be putting do. How do you write? When you play, again you is there, so we'll be putting do. When do you play? The remaining ones you all can try solving on your own. Moving on to interrogative negative sentence. Here in interrogative negative, again the helping verb comes first, then the subject plus not plus verb in the first form and other words. So the criteria remains the same with I, we, you and they do, and he she it does. Change the following sentences into interrogative negative sentence. You do not go to market daily. So first we will be putting the helping verb before the subject. Do you not go to market daily? Or we can put a contraction don't you go to the market daily. Both are correct. But if you follow this format, then it will be easier for you to remember. She does not play hockey. Does she not play hockey? Tanu does not obey her parents. Does Tanu not obey her parents? You just have to put the helping verb first, the subject later, and then a question mark at the end. Try doing these on your own. In case if you all have any doubts, you all can contact me. Your task for today is to solve exercise G and exercise H. Thank you.